Hello everybody, who are we? The name of our company is Votex, which is a combination of vote and matrix, our team name. Why? We as a group have chosen for the challenge track number 3, eVoting. As mentioned by the assignment, eVoting has many upcoming challenges that has to be solved. How? We decided to create a new concept in which we would help the democratic process of voting. We will make it safer, more accessible and innovative, while maintaining credibility and confidence in the voting system. The flowcharts. We will generate a random hash and link in with the votes in the blockchain system. The auditor party will not be able to trace your vote back to you since we are using a hash, but users will be able to request their vote to check it, since their hash is linked with their identity and it's me. In other words, how is it possible that the government cannot track the vote to a person? But they have to know the vote is actually linked to a person. The portion is handled by the application. Votex checks if the hash is identified by a real person. Next, it encrypts the hash and the vote and puts it on the chain. The government will only be able to decrypt the vote, so there will be an interaction between the government and Votex. Checking and changing your vote is possible, but only by going to the city hall. This is a necessity for the people to trust the system and to trust our company. So now we go over to the It's Me wireframes. First of all, we start to create a new voting platform, website or application. The first step is that the voter can start to validate through It's Me. Afterwards, the voter can do a security check that looks a lot like the process of Lockdown Browser, which is an anti-cheat tool for making exams at home. He/she films the environment before the voting process and during the voting process, so that nobody could influence him during the voting. Just like there are people to handle the voting centers in Belgium to perform identity checks, there will also be people assigned to go to a voting center. But instead of performing identity checks, they will monitor all the voting video and audio footage. Afterwards, you can choose between different political parties or different candidates. Then you can click to next, and you can cast your vote. Believe in Votex, we are the key.